Namaste friends, Jay. Today is 27 January 2024. Now we are discussing weekly Nifty and Bank Nifty and some stocks for the positioning base. You can follow me on the Twitter technotrade_Jay and our WhatsApp group in our WhatsApp channel Power of Stocks. Yesterday I give you ICICI Bank, HDFC and Manappuram in the closing base. Let's see what's happening on the Monday, and we are discussing some stocks in the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. Here we are seeing in Nifty inside candle is made. In the Bank Nifty on the daily chart same inside candle is made. In the Nifty, let's see in the 15 minutes what's happening in the 15 minutes. In 15 minutes you can see the W pattern and you can enter 21,460 and your positioning stop loss is 21,200. In the Bank Nifty same, it's try to break out the trend line. Here is the breakout trend line already broken and your entry position is 45,000 above and your stop loss is 44,800 and your next target is 46,400. As per my view, 2 to 3 days you cannot make any position in the long term base Nifty and the Bank Nifty because both are in downtrend. If it's want to go in the upside, then some days 2 to 3 days it will consolidation in the small range and after it will move upper or downside. Same in the Nifty, little bit profit booking is happening below 21,200. You can heavily enter in the short side with the stop loss is only 200 points and your next target is gap filling 20,320. Let's see in the Reliance. As we already made the chart, it's trying to pull the 3000 level. If it's break 27,065, then it will touch 3000. Let's see in the HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is good for the long term. In the HDFC Bank you can enter and your stop loss is 1390 as per level given in the WhatsApp channel and the next target is 2000 rupees for a long term. ICICI Bank tried to support 1000 level and it's tried to come in this channel. We already discussed for the ICICI Bank is very positive as per my view and the Kotak Bank is also at the support, but I am not preferring the Kotak Bank because Kotak Bank are very volatile bank. Let's see in the gold. Gold is also at the support. If this level is broke, then 1950 gold level we will see in the future. Physical gold you can buy at 1950. And let's see in the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at the breakout retest and again it's try to moving upside. Now Bitcoin is very positive for a short period touch to 50,000. Let's see in the oil. Oil is also given a good breakout and it will touch all-time high in the near the month or within 2 months. Let's see in the US CAD. US CAD is also tried to reset its 16,950 or 17,000. After it will start the journey for 20,000. US market is try to cross the Indian markets level. Let's see what is happening in Indian market and US market. As per my view, Indian market are try to consolidation this 20,000 to 22,000 for 3 to 4 months. Let's see what's happening. Thank you. Have a nice